Solo brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is relationship between Kp and Kc. It is the continuation of chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium reaction involving two opposite reaction. One is a forward reaction, another one is a backward reaction. At equilibrium, rate of forward reaction should be equal to rate of backward reaction. Now, we are discuss about relationship between Kp and Kc. Kp nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure in which all the reactant and products are ideal gas. Kc nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of molar concentration of reactant and the product. Let us consider general chemical equilibrium reaction like A plus B equilibrium C plus D. Balance equation X, Y, this one L, M. Here, concentration of reactant and concentration of the product does not change with at a constant temperature, pressure and catalyst. This one is a equilibrium. Equilibrium can be altered by the concentration, pressure and temperature. Here, K is the equilibrium constant. This equilibrium constant depends only on temperature. Here, by using the K, how to write down the Kc? Kc nothing but product divided by reactant. Concentration of C power L into concentration of T power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of B power Y. Here, Kc is nothing but equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant can be defined as product of equilibrium concentration of product divided by product of equilibrium concentration of the reactant. Come on. With each concentration terms rise to the power equal to coefficient of the substance present in the balanced equation. Likewise, Kp. Kp nothing but partial pressure of C into partial pressure of D divided by partial pressure of A, partial pressure of B. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. In this reaction, all the reactant and the product are ideal gas. So, we are using the ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Here P is the pressure, V is the volume in liter, N is the number of mole, R is a gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin. So pressure should be equal to N by V RT. These are concentration terms. This is nothing but active mass or molar concentration. By using this formula, one more question may be asked in both theory and NEET. That is active mass N by V. N nothing but number of moles. V nothing but is what? Volume in liter. This is a unit mole per liter. That is P, that is a concentration terms N by V into RT. By using the concentration terms, that is a PL, that is a concentration of C power L into RT power L. Another one, partial pressure of D power small m, concentration of D power is a small m, RT concentration is a small m. Another one, partial pressure of A, X, nothing but concentration of A power X into RT power X. Another one, P, partial pressure of B, Y should be equal to concentration of B power Y into RT power Y. This all the terms substitute on the equation 2. On substitution in equation 2. What is the equation 2? That is a Kp. Kp nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. So Kp equal to partial pressure of C, that is a partial pressure of the C, here concentration of C into RT. T power M RT power M. Another one, concentration of, that is A power X RT power X into concentration of P power Y into RT is a Y. Now separate the concentration terms and RT terms. That is a Kp, nothing but concentration of C power L, concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of B power Y into RT, that is a L plus M minus X plus Y. This is a whole concentration. Kp, this full nothing but Kc into RT. This full nothing but delta Ng. That is a delta Ng nothing but, it is a L plus M minus X plus Y. Delta Ng can be defined as total number of stoichiometric moles of gaseous product minus total number of stoichiometric moles of gaseous reactant. So total equation, it is a Kp equal to Kc RT delta Ng. Depends upon the delta Ng, Kp, Kc can be related in the three cases. Likewise, that is a Kp equal to Kx into pressure in delta G. This another equation similar to Kp and Kc. Here Kx nothing but equilibrium constant in terms of mole fraction. This can be explained by the Dalton's law of partial pressure. By using the delta Ng is a Kp and Kc related the three cases. We discuss about three cases. Kp equal to Kc into RT delta Ng. Again, depends upon the delta Ng, Kp and Kc related to three cases. Case 1. Here, delta Ng nothing but equal to 0. That is a L plus M equal to X plus Y. Here, total number of stoichiometric moles of gaseous product should be equal to total number of stoichiometric moles of gaseous reactant. For example, hydrogen in the gaseous state react with iodine in the gaseous state, exist at equilibrium to formation of 2Hi in the gaseous state. This one best example for homogeneous equilibrium. What is a homogeneous equilibrium? All the reactant and product are same phase. Here find out delta Ng. Delta Ng nothing but product minus reactant. Here product is 2 moles, reactant also 2 moles, total moles 0. Here delta Ng equal to 0, this nothing but Kp equal to Kc. Here is a Kc Kp, no unit. This type of question may be asking 1 mark. Simple, easy to do. Okay, another case. Case 2. Delta Ng is equal to positive. That is L plus M greater than the X plus Y. For example, water react with chlorine, gaseous state, exist at equilibrium to formation of HCl in the gaseous state and liberation of oxygen in the gaseous state. Here physical property very important. This one is a gaseous state, this one is all are gaseous state, this one best example for homogeneous equilibrium. Now balance equation. Here how many oxygen? 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, so write that 2 times. Now how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, here 4. Now how many chlorine? 4 chlorine is 2 times. Next find out delta Ng. Delta Ng nothing but product divided by reactant, that is a product minus reactant. Here product how many moles? 4 plus 1 5 moles. Reactant how many moles? 2 plus 2 4 moles. That is a plus 1. Here Kp greater than Kc. Here Kp unit ATM and Kc unit mole per liter. Kp explain the terms of partial pressure, Kc explain the terms of molar concentration of reactant and the product. Another one, case 3. Here delta Ng is a negative. There is a formation of ammonia. How to form the ammonia? Nitrogen react with the hydrogen to form the ammonia. Nitrogen exists in the gaseous state, react with the hydrogen, exists at equilibrium. Equilibrium, another name called as a chemical equilibrium reaction or reversible reaction or dynamic nature. Gaseous state. Here how many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen, here only 1 nitrogen, so 2 times. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen is here. Now find out delta Ng. Delta Ng nothing but product minus reactant. Here L plus M less than X plus Y. Here what is the product? 2 minus is a 4, that is a minus 2. Here Kp less than Kc. There are 3 conditions. These are called relationship between Kp and Kc. Next, characteristics of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant nothing but K. Is a point number 1. General chemical equilibrium reaction like that A plus B exists at equilibrium to form C and D. Balance equation X, Y, L, M. Here K is the equilibrium constant. These are the reactant, these are the product. concentration of the reactant and concentration of the product does not change at constant temperature, pressure, catalyst. Equilibrium can be changed with concentration, temperature, pressure. Equilibrium constant depends on only temperature. K directly proposes the temperature. If temperature increases, means equilibrium constant also increases. This explained in the terms of endothermic and exothermic reaction. This is point number 1. Another point number 2. If chemical equilibrium reaction is reversed, that is a C plus D equilibrium A plus B. Balance equation L, M, X, another one is a Y. If equilibrium reaction, these values of equilibrium constant also reversed. This is a general chemical equilibrium reaction. If the equilibrium reaction is reversed, equilibrium constant also inverted. That is this nothing but Kc dash. So Kc dash equal to 1 by Kc. This one is a formation of equilibrium constant. This one is a dissociation of equilibrium constant. Dissociation of equilibrium constant inversely proportional to the formation of equilibrium constant. This is point number 2. Another one is a point number 3. Reactants converted into the product all are present in the gaseous state. Here, if any chemical equilibrium reaction divided by 2, the value of new equilibrium constant is square root. This type of question may be asked in the 1 mark. Point number 4. This concentration of reactant and concentration of the product. If the general chemical equilibrium reaction is multiplied by 2, then equilibrium constant is a square. This is a point number 4. Another one is a point number 5. There is a concentration of A converted into concentration of B through K1. Concentration of B converted into C through K2. Concentration of A directly converted to C. If general chemical equilibrium reaction is written in the 2 steps, the new equilibrium constant is multiple. That is a K is a K equal to K into K2. Next point number 6. Catalyst. The value of equilibrium constant does not change by the addition of the catalyst. Because of catalyst, it is used to increase the speed of the reaction in both forward and backward reaction in same extent. Another topic, equilibrium constant for the heterogeneous equilibrium. For example, calcium carbonate present in the solid state exists at equilibrium to formation of calcium oxide in solid state and carbon dioxide in the gaseous state. Here K is the equilibrium constant. What is the meaning for heterogeneous equilibrium? Concentration of the reactant and concentration of the product are different phase. This is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. By using this one, you have to write on the Kc. Kc nothing but product divided by reactant. So concentration of CaO solid state, concentration of CO2 in the gaseous state divided by concentration of CaCO3 in solid state. Here one more important point is pure solid or pure liquid activity 1 because they have own active mass. They have remains constant during the reaction. So pure solid and pure liquid is what? Activity 1. This is a solid state, it is a solid state, activity 1. So Kc nothing but concentration of CO2 in the gaseous state. What about Kp? Kp is nothing but partial pressure of CO2. This here Kc, what is the unit? This concentration terms can be explained by the mole per liter. Here partial pressure can be explained in the ATM. Another one example. This is example number 2. Here is a carbon dioxide react with water to form the carbonic acid. For example, CO2 in the gaseous state react with water. This exists at equilibrium to formation of H2CO3. This H2CO3 is nothing but concentration of H plus in aqueous plus concentration of HCO3 minus aqueous. By using this equation, how to write the Kc? Kc nothing but concentration of H plus in the aqueous and concentration of HCO3 minus aqueous divided by here. This one is a gaseous state, this one is a liquid state. Pure liquid state is a unit activity 1 because they have own active mass. So concentration of CO2 only. Likewise, partial pressure of this Kc. These are the is what? Equilibrium constant in terms of heterogeneous equilibrium. Another one, applications of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant help us, point number 1, predicting extent of the reaction. This is point number 1. Point number 2, predicting direction of the reaction. This is point number 2. Point number 3, predicting or calculation of equilibrium concentration. These are the 3 methods. These are applications of equilibrium constant. What is the first one? Predicting extent of the reaction. Point number 1, predicting extent of a reaction. This is point number 1. Here, this is Kc. Kc at the Kc. Both reactant and products at equilibrium. This side 10 power plus 3. this side 10 power minus 3. Here reaction proceed hardly from left side because of 10 power minus 3. Here 10 power plus 3 reaction will be proceeds almost to completion. These are called prediction of extent of the reaction. By using this one, point number 1, there are different conditions. Point number 1. Here Kc greater than 10 power 3, that is a plus 3. Here concentration of product greater than the concentration of reactant. Here Kc is very large. Concentration of product more than the concentration of reactant. This reaction will proceed, forward reaction takes place. Reaction almost to completion. For examples, there is a hydrogen in the gaseous state react with the chlorine in the gaseous state at equilibrium to formation of 2HCl. In the gaseous state, Kc value 4.0 in 10 power 31. This maintain the temperature 298 Kelvin or 300 Kelvin approximately. This is point number 1. Kc greater than 10 power plus 3. Here concentration of product more than the concentration of the reactant. This reaction will proceed forward reaction. Kc value very larger. The reaction almost completion. Here hydrogen react with the chlorine exists at equilibrium, that is a Kc. Kc value 4.0 in 10 power 31 at 298 Kelvin. Another second example. Point number 2. Kc, that is a greater than 10 power minus 3. Here concentration of reactant greater than the concentration of products. The reaction will proceed more tendency to form the reactant side. So reverse reaction takes place. Here Kc value very smaller. The reaction proceed very hardly or rarely. For example, nitrogen in the gaseous state react with oxygen in the gaseous state exists at equilibrium to formation of NO in the gaseous state. Balance equation, how many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen, 2 oxygen is a 2 times. Here Kc nothing but 4.8 in 10 power minus 31. This maintain at 300 Kelvin. Is a minus 31. That is a greater than 10 power 3. This reaction is a reverse reaction. The reaction produce, there is a proceeds very hardly or rarely. Another point number 3. Kc equal to 10 power minus 3 to 10 power plus 3. Here concentration of the reactant and the concentration of product present at equilibrium. Equilibrium, for example, hydrogen in the gaseous state react with the iodine in the gaseous state exist at equilibrium to formation of Hi. Here Kc value 57 made in at 700 Kelvin. Depends upon the temperature. First condition, Kc greater than 10 power plus 3. Second condition, Kc greater than 10 power minus 3. Third condition, Kc equal to in between 10 power minus 3 to 10 power plus 3. These are called predict the extent of the reaction. Another one, predicting the direction of the reaction. Let us consider general chemical equilibrium reaction. For example, A plus B exists at equilibrium to form C plus D. Balance equation X, Y, L, M. Here, different set of initial concentration of reactant and the product not equal to the equilibrium concentration. Now we are introduced QC. QC nothing but reaction quotient. By using the QC, now write down the QC. QC nothing but product of concentration of the product divided by product of concentration of the reactant. This present at non-equilibrium condition. Concentration of C power L and concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X and concentration of P power Y at non-equilibrium condition. Here very important, non-equilibrium condition. This type of question may be asked in 1 mark. QC nothing but reaction quotient. Reaction quotient can be defined as product of equilibrium concentration of the product divided by the product of equilibrium concentration of reactant present at non-equilibrium condition. Now comparing the Kc and QC. This is condition number 1, point number 1. QC equal to Kc. This condition, the reaction mixer at equilibrium. Reaction mixer at equilibrium. Point number 2. QC greater than Kc. Here, QC greater than Kc means concentration of the reactant more than the concentration of the product. The reaction will proceed more tendency to form the direction of reactant side. This reaction, reverse reaction takes place. The reaction will proceeds in the direction of reactant. So another point number 3, QC lesser than Kc. Here reaction will proceed more tendency to form the product. This reaction is what? A forward reaction. Next concept, calculation of equilibrium concentration. Here, equilibrium constant help us calculate the concentration of equilibrium concentration. For example, general chemical equilibrium reaction like hydrogen react with iodine present at a gaseous state exists at equilibrium to formation of HI. If by using the Kc nothing but equilibrium constant terms of molar concentration of reactant and the product. If knowing the values of equilibrium constant of Kc, next we can calculate the equilibrium concentration of the reactant and the product. For example, formation of ammonia. By using this equation, first find out the delta Ng. Delta Ng nothing but total moles of stoichiometric moles of gaseous product minus total number of stoichiometric moles of gaseous reactant. Here product 2 moles, reactant 2 moles. So 2 minus 2. So delta N is equal to 0. Delta N is equal to 0 means Kp equal to Kc. By using this equation, how to derive the Kc or Kp. For example, hydrogen in the gaseous state, iodine in the gaseous state to formation of 2 HI. Initial number of moles. Initial number of moles unknown, so A, B is at equilibrium, there is no formation of product. Number of moles reacted, is X moles at equilibrium condition, there is no formation. Number of moles at equilibrium, that is A minus X, B minus X, here 2X. At equilibrium, rate of the forward reaction should be equal to rate of the backward reaction. So 2X. Molar concentration at equilibrium, it is A minus X divided by V, B minus X divided by V, 2X divided by V. Because of this reaction takes place by using the closed vessel. Closed vessel can be measured by using the liter, that is a volume. By using this equation, first write down the Kc. Kc nothing but product of concentration of the product divided by product of concentration of the reactant. HI, that is 2X divided by V squared divided by A minus X by V, B minus X divided by V. This is nothing but 4X squared by V squared divided by A minus X into B minus X by V squared. V squared cancel. So Kc nothing but 4x squared divided by A minus X into B minus X. Here, what is the condition? Formation of HI, delta N is equal to 0. Kc nothing but this one. What about Kp? Is equal. By using this equation, how to derive both Kc and Kp? This one best example for calculation of equilibrium concentration. Let us recap the relation between Kp and Kc. Kp is a equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure and Kc equilibrium constant in terms of molar concentration of reactant and molar concentration of the product. Kp equal to Kc into R till delta Mg. Here there are three conditions: delta Mg equal to 0, delta Mg is equal to positive, delta Mg is equal to negative. This is the first derivation. Another one, characteristics of equilibrium constant. Next, applications of equilibrium constant. Applications of equilibrium constant, there are three types. Equilibrium constant help us predict the extent of the reaction and predicting the direction of the reaction and calculation of equilibrium concentration. By using this type of question may be asked in 1 mark, both theory and NEET. Next one, equilibrium constant for heterogeneous equilibrium. Here, heterogeneous equilibrium nothing but concentration of reactant and concentration of product present in the different state. How to practice all the derivation and equation, example and get highest mark. Good luck.